Hey Drone Tech Doctor viewers, get ready for some groundbreaking news in the world of aerial photography and videography. Today we're diving into the Insta360 Antigravity A1, a drone that's set to redefine aerial imaging. This isn't just any drone, it's the world's first 8K 360 drone, co-engineered with Insta360. Imagine capturing every angle simultaneously in stunning 8K resolution from the sky. This capability sets the Antigravity A1 apart, offering unparalleled detail and creative freedom for filmmakers and enthusiasts alike. Insta360, known for its innovative 360 cameras and gimbals, brings its imaging expertise to this revolutionary drone. From the flagship Insta360 X5 to the ultralight X4 Air, their lineup consistently pushes the boundaries of immersive capture. The Antigravity A1 continues this legacy, delivering high-resolution, immersive aerial videography that was once only a dream. Its 8K 360 footage means you can reframe your shots long after you've landed, choosing the perfect perspective every time. This drone is designed for creators who demand the highest quality and ultimate flexibility in their aerial content. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action sequences, the Antigravity A1 provides a new dimension of storytelling. Its association with Insta360 also implies user-friendly features, making advanced aerial capture accessible to more pilots. The Antigravity A1 is now officially available, ready to transform your aerial videography. It's a game changer for anyone looking to push the boundaries of what's possible with drone footage. The combination of 8K resolution and 360-degree capture truly makes it a standout in the market. This drone isn't just about capturing video, it's about capturing experiences in their entirety. So what are your thoughts on the Insta360 Antigravity A1? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give it a like, share it with your fellow drone enthusiasts, and subscribe to Drone Tech Doctor for more cutting-edge reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.